Ladies and gentlemen, I'm coming at you guys today with 7 quotes as usual on a Thursday, but today I have put them together as 7 different mantras. Every single quote on this list can be used as a mantra. It can be used powerfully as a way for you to talk to yourself and tell you that you are as awesome as you know you are. Before we get started, I want you guys to notice one quick thing about these mantras. Every single one of them begins with the phrase, I am. Why is this? This is because those are 2 powerful words put together. I says that it is you. There is no question about it. This is about me. Am says that this is how I am. This is me. And this is without question a trait about me. So combining these 2 words together equals you are this trait 100%, and this is how you're going to be from now on. So when you say these mantras to yourself in the morning, when you say them to yourself at the end of the day, or whenever you prefer to say your mantras, this is going to reassure yourself that this is exactly how you are. So let's go ahead and get started. I am bright. This says I am positive. I am somebody who will be optimistic, who will see difficult situations and find the way out of them. This says that no matter what happens, I can always see the calm in the storm. I am powerful. This says you have strength. You are a strong person. You can find the strength within you to get through anything. You can find the strength within you to push through a situation. You can find the strength within you to create situations that weren't there before. You can find the strength within you to get out of your comfort zone. You are powerful. You can do whatever you want to do. You can be you. I am a warrior. This says that you are a fighter. You will fight for what you want. Competition comes up, but you are going to fight for what you know you deserve. This says that no matter what goes on, what goes wrong, you are gonna continue to push for what you want, push for what you know you deserve, and you're going to be the strongest person you can be along the way. I am passion. This reaffirms to yourself that you have the emotion, the desire inside of you to do what you want to do. This reaffirms to yourself every single day that you can find the strength within you to push yourself into those difficult situations. You can find the strength within you to try and create the perfect situation for your dreams, because your dreams, they revolve around this passion. So if you are the passion, then your dreams start to revolve around you, and you start to find new entries into difficult areas that you wouldn't have been able to notice before. I am spirit. This goes along with being passion. This says that you have the ability to have charisma. You have the ability to be unique. You can be you while you are being passionate. You can be someone that no one else can be. I am decisive. This means that when things come up, when situations arise, you can make that decision on the spot. You don't have to sit there and think about it for hours and hours. You can make that decision when it needs to be made, which is usually right now. You can make the decision and hold your decision. If you're in a boardroom, you can hold your decision. If you're talking to your teaming partners, to investors, you can hold this decision and let them know that you really believe that is the right decision, despite all of the adversity that you will get for making this decision, and even mental adversity that's telling you maybe I really didn't make the right decision. By saying I am decisive, you are telling yourself that I made the right decision. I went with my gut, and my gut went with the right decision. Or maybe you didn't go with your gut. Maybe you actually went with an educated guess. But whatever you thought was the correct reason to choose the path that you chose, this is going to reaffirm to you, reassure you that you made the right decision. I am a trailblazer. This means you are unique. This means you are creating your own path, you are creating your own opportunities, you are creating your own luck every single day. You are putting yourself in the perfect situations because you are just blazing ahead. You're creating that new path that nobody else has taken before. And by doing this, you are instilling that passion, that spirit inside of yourself, that power, everything else. This is the finisher, guys. This is telling you everything else that you've been saying to yourself is true because you are blazing the trails. If you're not blazing the trails, then you are not finishing everything up that you have been trying to do. So among being decisive, among having spirit, having passion, being a warrior, being powerful, being bright, you have to blaze your trails, and that's what this is telling you that you have the capability of doing. So if you want to create a mantra, one of the important things to remember is to keep it positive, to use powerful words such as these, and to begin it by saying I am. You can say I am a if you are referring to a certain type of characteristic, or you can just say I am, but don't make it too long, make it a few words, and also just always use words that resonate with you and use words that create that powerful feeling inside of you. So that's all I've got for you guys. If you like this video, please actually hit the like button on this video and hit the subscribe button too if you want to see more of this content. Comment below, let me know if you guys use these mantras, what your guys' mantras are. I want to know, I want to hear what your mantras are, and I want to actually try and implement them myself, and I know there are other people out there that would want to try and implement them too. So please comment below and let me know what they are, and I would like to thank you guys for watching. Bye.